Do you want to know how to analyse your samples with the new Strada intelligent Raman microscope in industrial quality control? Hi there, I'm Jennifer Ferguson, a senior application scientist at Renishaw, and I'm going to show you why the Strada intelligent Raman microscope can provide you with the performance, convenience and confidence that you need for analysing your materials in industrial quality control. From validating system performance, automating data capture and analysis, to accessing the latest remote service and preventative maintenance options, the Strada system delivers time and again, making your work faster and easier. Load your sample set and choose your template. The intelligent system will perform sample positioning and white light image capture automatically. You can then select which of the samples from your set that you want to analyse, leaving the system to produce the results. Reports can be customised and created directly, or you can output your results to a table. The microscope-based system produces research-level performance and is full of the latest hardware and software technology to support autonomous use. The system is entirely motorised. In combination with LiveTrack autofocusing, this means your white light images can be collected with a low magnification objective, and your data can be captured with the best objective for your sample, all with the sample perfectly in focus. Performance is qualified and automatically recorded in the dedicated Raman workspace software, ensuring that you get the same results every single time. There are options for servicing your system remotely, and two-way telemetry means that you know when any consumables may need replacing with plenty of time. This ensures no system downtime. The Strada intelligent Raman system provides you with the performance, automation and simplicity that you need for your quality control and problem-solving needs.